Hey people, so I'm at this place called Zudio and look at the kind of sales that are happening here, yeah. It's like I get this for 199 and this is for just 99. I mean this is it's like practically unbelievable because normally a brand like Zudio is of that higher end of the spectrum and you're actually getting stuff for like 149 bucks. This is it was so unexpected. I didn't expect it to, for it to have such a nice. It's quite a huge collection. If you were to take a look, see, I've come here, so I'm so tempted to pick up something because this is lovely stuff, yeah, and it is so well within reach. I'm just so tempted. See, so and that's what, considering sometimes close to 8,000 people watch my channel. So this place is in Sikandrabad, right opposite St. Mary's Church, and take a look at it. Huge place, lovely, right? 99, 299. Man, this is the place to be, yeah. So I really have to say this. I normally never venture into these stores, but as of today, like as of yesterday, I was kind of praying and telling God, now onwards, I just surrender to you. And since morning, things that have been happening in my life are like, it's just one after another surprise. So even coming here for me has been a surprise and awesome stuff, yeah. So do try and come. This is just opposite St. Mary's Church in Sikandrabad, and the collection is just awesome. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.